Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you two ways to create a list database in Notion. So the first way is to open up any page you want to have a list database in and type in the command /list view. Click on that and you have created a list database. So item 1, item 2, and this is the database. Now because we're on a fresh page with just part of it, the database, we can type other stuff and manage it that way. Now the other way to create a list database is to create an entire page as the database, and how you do that is you open up a new page and you go to the bottom, middle, click on the three dots and click on list, and now we will have a list database. And this will be the same, item 1, item 2, and so on. So there you go. Hope this helps. Thank you.